Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we'll talk about how you can customize the side cart on your Wix site. By the way, the side cart is a preview panel that will appear on the right when the cart icon is clicked on or when a customer adds something to their carts. And here's how you can customize it. On the Wix editor, go to Pages and Menu on the left, and under Store Pages, click on Side Cart. And this is your side cart. To edit it, click on the side cart itself and then click on Settings. On the small window, go to the Settings tab. And over here, this is where you can select which items you want to display. You can take the checkbox for the items that you want to display. This is also where you can enable your Go to Checkout buttons, Go to Cart Page buttons, and Express Checkout buttons. Now for the Design tab, this is where you can customize your header, cart items, customer inputs, and totals section. You can start with your header, and this is where you can change its colors, opacity, etc. So go ahead and design it however you want to. And on the Text tab is where you can edit the default texts of your cart title, disclaimer, go to checkout button, etc. So feel free to edit the things you want to edit on your side cart according to your preferences. And also, if you want to customize the overlay background, click outside of your cart and click on change background. You can change it to a color, an image, or even a video. And you can even select from preset backgrounds that Wix has here. Just make sure to use one that's not too distracting. And if you want to customize it further, go to Settings, and depending on your overlay, you can adjust it here, such as its opacity. Once you're done making all the changes you need to make on your side cart, click on Save to save your progress. And if your site's previously been published, click on Publish again in order for the new changes to take effect on your live site as well. And basically, that's it. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.